Today, we're diving deep into a true workhorse of the modern farm, a machine that has earned its stripes in fields all across the world. I'm talking about the legendary John Deere 5310. If you've ever been in the market for a utility tractor that punches way above its weight class, you've definitely come across this green and yellow icon. So, what makes the 5310 so special? Is it the right machine for your operation? Let's get into it. First off, let's talk about what's under that signature green hood. The John Deere 5310 is powered by a robust, turbocharged, 3-cylinder diesel engine. We're talking about a 3-liter powerhouse, John Deere's own PowerTech engine that's both fuel-efficient and incredibly reliable. Depending on the specific model and year, you're looking at around 55 to 65 horsepower. Now that might not sound like a monstrous number compared to the giant articulated tractors, but for a utility tractor, that's the sweet spot. It's enough power to handle a wide range of tasks without guzzling fuel, which is a huge plus for your bottom line. This engine is designed for torque, giving you the pulling power you need for tasks like plowing, tilling, or pulling a loaded wagon. It's also known for its longevity. These engines are built to last, and with proper maintenance, they'll serve you faithfully for thousands of hours. Now, power is nothing without control, and that's where the transmission options on the 5310 really shine. John Deere knows that one size doesn't fit all. You'll often find these tractors equipped with a 9 forward and 3 reverse speed collar shift transmission. It's a straightforward, mechanically sound system that's easy to use and even easier to maintain. For those who need a bit more versatility, especially for loader work or tasks requiring frequent changes in direction, there's the popular Power Reverser transmission. This gives you 12 forward and 12 reverse speeds and the ability to change direction without using the clutch. Imagine you're loading bales or moving material. Just flick a lever and you go from forward to reverse smoothly and efficiently. This feature alone is a massive time and energy saver, reducing operator fatigue and boosting productivity throughout the day. It's a game changer for repetitive back-and-forth tasks. Let's move on to the hydraulics, the muscle of the tractor. The 5310 boasts a powerful open-center hydraulic system. It provides plenty of flow to operate a front-end loader, a 3-point hitch implement, and other hydraulic attachments with ease. The lift capacity on the 3-point hitch is impressive for its class, allowing you to handle heavier implements like large planters, cultivators, or heavy-duty mowers. This means you can do more with one tractor, making it an incredibly versatile asset on your farm. Whether you're lifting round bales, operating a post-hole digger, or using a hydraulic wood splitter, the 5310's hydraulic system is up to the challenge, delivering consistent and reliable power when you need it most. And you can't talk about a utility tractor without talking about the PTO, or power takeoff. The 5310 typically comes with a standard 540 RPM rear PTO, which is perfect for running most common implements like rotary cutters, balers, and tillers. Some models also offer an economy PTO setting. This feature is fantastic. It allows the PTO to run at 540 RPM, but with the engine running at a lower, more fuel-efficient speed. So if you're doing light-duty work, like running a hay rake or a small sprayer, you can save a significant amount of fuel and reduce engine wear and noise. It's a smart feature that shows John Deere is thinking about the farmer's long-term operating costs. Now let's climb into the operator's station. This is where you'll be spending your days, so comfort and ergonomics are key. The 5310 features a clean, well-laid-out operator platform. The controls are color-coded and placed intuitively, so even if you're new to the machine, you can get the hang of it pretty quickly. The seat is adjustable and comfortable, and the visibility from the driver's seat is excellent, giving you a clear view of your front-end loader and your rear implements. Many models are available in a 2-wheel drive or a 4-wheel drive configuration, which John Deere calls MFWD, or mechanical front-wheel drive. For anyone working on hilly terrain, in muddy conditions, or needing extra traction for heavy loader work, the MFWD option is a must-have. It provides that extra grip and stability that can make all the difference in challenging conditions. Speaking of loaders, the 5310 is a phenomenal loader tractor. It's often paired with a John Deere loader that's perfectly matched to its size and hydraulic capacity. The combination is balanced and nimble. The turning radius is tight, making it great for working in and around barns, sheds, and other tight spaces. Whether you're stacking hay, cleaning out pens, moving gravel, or clearing snow, the 5310 with a loader is an indispensable tool. It's the kind of machine that once you have one, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. So, who is the John Deere 5310 for? It's really for everyone. It's perfect for the small to medium-sized farm that needs a primary tractor to do it all. It's also an excellent choice for a larger operation that needs a reliable, nimble utility tractor for secondary tasks, loader work, and mowing. Hay producers love it for its baling and raking capabilities. Livestock farmers depend on it for feeding and material handling. Even property owners with large acreage find it to be the perfect machine for maintaining their land, from cutting grass to grading driveways. Its versatility is its greatest strength. In terms of maintenance, John Deere has made it easy. The one-piece hood tilts up to give you wide-open access to the engine, radiator, and battery. Daily checks like engine oil and coolant levels are simple and quick. This ease of serviceability means less downtime and more time working, which is what it's all about. Parts are also readily available through John Deere's extensive dealer network, so you're never far from a solution if you need a repair. To sum it all up, the John Deere 5310 has earned its reputation as a reliable, versatile, and efficient utility tractor. It combines a powerful and fuel-sipping engine with user-friendly transmission options and a robust hydraulic system. It's comfortable to operate and easy to maintain. It's a tractor that doesn't just do one thing well, it does many things exceptionally well. It represents that classic John Deere value of quality and durability. It's a machine built to work hard, day in and day out, and to be a trusted partner in your operation for years to come. If you're in the market for a tractor in this horsepower class, the 5310 should absolutely be at the top of your list to check out. That's our deep dive on the John Deere 5310. What are your experiences with this tractor? Do you own one, or have you operated one? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing your stories and insights, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more machinery reviews and farm content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.